Fresh Bake, we're back atop the Mickey and Friends parking structure to look at Galaxy's Edge backside of Battle Escape. And today, we're probably not going to do a whole lot of commentary or comparing to recent weeks because there's really just one star of the show today. And we're going to let that speak. Or actually, we're going to let myself and Ian speak because he was with me when we observed it, which we'll get to later. So I think what I'm going to do is just our normal scanning our usual spots to see how things are going. For example, these trees. I was trying to see if I can't see through those trees to see if there's any construction we can see through them, but you can't see anything. So what I'm going to do as we switch over to the top of the Battle Escape building is just kind of, I don't know, I may sprinkle in some comments here, but we're not going to be doing any comparisons this week. We will be next week, though, because I have some fun things to compare, I think, in the coming weeks. By the way, you can't really tell anymore where that old, that framework that was the forced perspective framework behind the peaks. It took me a minute to figure out what I was looking at there when I was recording it. Same here. It's starting to blend in with the peaks. There's that dome we saw last week. And actually, I just noticed something on the. I'm going to have to pay attention to that next week. On the lower left of the frame, there was some work that we could observe. You know, I want to try to find out what that is. I think we'll look for that next week. Oh, look at that! You can. That's something. That steelwork popping up there. That's something to look at next week. And what is that? I'm gonna have to look in on that too. Here's the thing that I want to try to see if I can't plot that from the. That's the only reason why I'm filming this. I'm filming this because I want to see if I can't find that from Rivers of America next week. And then here's another look at that same area. This is the area of that dome, and I believe where the star of the show will be this week, but I don't see it in this shot. This is a fun video. All right, take it away to Rivers of America, and Ian and I will take over live from the Mark Twain.
I've been navigating these parts for years now.
Oh my gosh, Ian, look at...
Taking in the breathtaking view.
All right, where's the trees to block my view of that?
Just a tree.
Do I have it? I can't tell if I have it in frame.
Stunning rock formation.
Look at that. That looks fantastic. That's Star Wars, man.
It does, but it's also that one bit on the model that, remember, I said I was worried about being That's the big tower. I get why it's there. It's a forced perspective thing, so when you're around, you use these big building on the cliff.
How did they get that much further ahead than the one that popped up like this one here? That popped up.
That one, the steelwork has been up for like over several months.
Right, but that's almost finished looking. That looks so like
structurally, yes. I'm sure there's a lot of detail and color that still needs to go on.
Wow, that's just fantastic. I cannot believe we're seeing that, dude.
Off to the side of the
look at that, from Star Wars right there.
About a year-ish away, probably, right?
Yeah.
That means we're all
less than that, maybe. Well, no, yeah, you're away.
We don't have the exact dates on the same period.
Look at that.
Because that's still assuming they want it to be open by next week. I don't know. We don't actually know how close to that they are.
Yeah. Ian, I'm not going to be able to stop looking at that. Where'd it go? I lost it. You can see the tops of these buildings starting to get come together. Yeah, there's some roofs. Look at, okay, there it is. Oh God. Ian. Wow. Like for, we've been doing this almost 2 years now? More than 2 years, right?
They started work, when they started clearing that was when the railroad closed. It all happened about the same day when they, and then well, that's when they closed and we started documenting the backstage stuff.
Wow. Two years later, and we're finally starting to see Star Wars.
Turning into that most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend, the Lakota that passed down generation to generation. And otherwise.
There's still maybe some gaps that need to close.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
I'm hoping those are going to get closed.
You mean with the trees?
No, well, yes, those, but I mean the rock at the top.
Well, I don't see how you can call that finished, right? There's something else happening there.
Well, just because I don't see any mesh covering that.
No.
And there's quite a bit of texture, or at least plaster or whatever.
That is interesting, but it's kind of stalled there. But you see that a lot where they stop and then they pick it up again later.
Yeah, so hopefully. Honestly, from the ground you won't see that, but from here.
I went back to the park on Monday morning for some Dumbo coverage, so I thought I would stop at the Critter Country at Hungry Bear to see if I can't get a static shot so that, you know, the boat doesn't, I don't know, the trees coming in and out of frame, and I can just get a good long look at it. And it's really cool to see the level of detail that they've already put in. This had to be, obviously, prefabbed and brought in and installed, but that's kind of new because we haven't seen anything like that happen. I guess that's why that other thing kind of popped up last week too. What's interesting though is the first seeing this. Just imagine what's going on. He just walked in there. He just walked in there. Just imagine what's going on inside the buildings right now. Millennium Falcon parts are being installed. Actual attraction parts are being put together inside Battlescape and the Millennium Falcon building. Fantastic.
It's probably harder to see from the lens, but it looks like there's more definition on that pyramid-shaped building. It's a pyramid for now. It'll turn into a dome later, I think. Man.
I don't remember. I was just like, look, I don't remember the same, but I remember it.
I mean, you can't take your eyes off it, right? Like, oh, I just want to look at that the whole time. That's all I want to look at. That's that guy's hand there. A little bit.
We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!